this video, I will be showing you how to get a smooth slow-mo effect for your video. To get started, I added a video to my timeline. First of all, you got to identify where you want to make the cuts in your video and make the cut in the beginning till the end of where you want to have the effect. And now you just got to select the sequence, right click it and find for speed and duration. Change your speed to 25 and your time interpolation to optical flow and simply press OK. Now as you can see, there has been a red marker added to this sequence. To remove that red marker, just simply got to go to a sequence which is right over here and render the selection. And now it might take a minute or two to render this selection. Yep, as you can see, the red marker has been turned into a green marker. That means the video is now ready for the permanent effect. And there you go, that's your slow-mo for this video, and I hope you benefited, and I'll see you next week.